Okay, so I had a question on this one. So this is a graph of how much Lynette is saving per week. And so there's these different parts. I should have grabbed this first. Um, this was the graph that we were given as the red line, and then I drew these blue ones in to just so I can kind of point at the points I was looking at. So how much does she save each week? So this is a little bit hard to read because, so from 1 week it's going from right there to right there. So you could figure out that, if this is 200, this right here would be 100, and that's representing, like, it looks like about a fourth of this. And so I would say probably 25. But I don't know, that just seems like harder than what I'm going to do over here. But we could do that. We could just look at the week and kind of see what that changes. We just have to be a little bit careful with the scale and making sure that we figure that out right. Or I could grab, these two distances, right? We're trying to figure out savings per week. So that would be dollars per week. And it looks like if I kind of grab just this distance because it's easy to read and this distance because it's easy to read, it looks like over the course of 4 weeks, she saved, this is going 200 and that's 400, so halfway between there would be 300. So it looks like in 4 weeks she saved $100 because this is going from 200 to 300. And so that's that same $25 per week. Oops, and I just turned my pen on to do crazy things. Undo. There, $25 per week. There we go. And so then that's also going to be your slope. So we can see that right here, looking at 1 week and then figuring out that the scale is 100 and it's going 1/4 of that. Or we could just grab those 2 points. I kind of like grabbing the 2 points because for part B, it's like give the coordinates of A 2 points. You're like, hey, I just kind of did that. So like at 4 weeks, this is 200, and at 8 weeks, this is 300. So the slope is, and you do your slope formula, and you're going to get to this exact same spot. So they're just trying to show you that you can get it from the graph or algebraically. And then I think I already gave away what are the units of the slope. That's what we're looking at right here because it's our change in y over our change in x. And so this was, I think, dollars and weeks. And then what does the slope tell you about the problem? And I would have to see what those choices are. Probably that it's increasing, her savings is increasing by $25 a week, I bet. So hopefully that helps.